In this question, you are given that two poles are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, and the road is 80 meter wide. There is a point on the road on the line joining between the foot of these poles. From this point, from this point, the angles of elevation to the top of the poles are 30 degree and 60 degree. From one pole it is 30 degree and to the other pole it is 60 degree. And road is 80 meter wide, it is given to us, and we are to find the height of the poles. Height of the poles are equal. Let me explain this situation diagrammatically. Suppose this is 80 meter wide road. This is 80 meter wide road. Okay? And there is standing one pole and the other pole. The road is along the ground level, horizontal, and poles are perpendicular to the road. Now let us suppose the point is M on the road on the line joining between foots of the poles, and the angle of elevations are 30 degree and 60 degree. So this is the larger angle, 60 degree, and the smaller angle is 30 degree. This line segment KL represents the first pole and NR represents the second pole. Let us consider the height of the poles is Y. Similarly, this is also Y because height of the poles is same. Now let us consider the distance of this point from foot of the first pole is X. So obviously the distance of this point from the foot of the second pole is 80 minus X, because total distance is 80 meter. Now in right angle triangle KLM, you see that angle under consideration is 60 degree. The side which is making angle with hypotenuse KM is LM. So LM is base, and we can consider KL in right triangle KLM. The KL is as perpendicular because it is just opposite to the angle under consideration. So the relation between perpendicular and base, the simple relation is tangent theta. Tangent theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Here P stands for perpendicular and B stands for the base. In this situation, in triangle KLM, where 60 degree is the angle under consideration, we can say tan of 60 degree is equal to perpendicular, which is Y, and the base is X. We know that tan 60 degree is under root 3. So we can say from this relation that under root 3 is equal to Y upon X, or you can say Y is equal to X square root 3. So we mark just this relation is equation number 1. And now consider triangle NRM. In this right triangle NRM, NR is the perpendicular, MR is the base, and 30 degree is angle under consideration. Same here, we can write tan of 30 degree. Here instead of theta we will write 30 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base. Here perpendicular is y, same, and the base is 80 minus x. We know that tan 30 degree is 1 divided by square root 3. So it is equal to y upon 80 minus x. On simplify, we will write 80 minus x is equal to y root 3. We know that the value of y is x under root 3. We can substitute this value here. So instead of y, we will write x square root 3 and square root 3. Y is replaced by x under root 3 and under root 3 as it is. So 80 minus x is equal to x square root 3 multiplied by root 3. It will become 3x. Square root 3 and square root 3 on multiplying, it will become 3x. On solving this equation, you can write x is equal to 3x plus x. You have migrated this minus x to the right hand side. After shifting it to the right hand side, the minus x will become plus x. So final is 80 is 4x, and you can see x is equal to 80 by 4, which is 20. So x is 20. So what is 80 minus x? 80 minus x is obviously 60. So 20 and 60. X is 20, 80 minus x is 60. So here, according to the diagram, you can say that the point M is 20 meter away from first pole and 60 meter away from second pole. So answers are 20 meter and 60 meter.